Hi guys, this is Ju Travel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time I'm going to react another dance practice video of BGYO with their song entitled Heartstrings. So they just dropped this dance practice video a few weeks ago, so I'm really excited. Hello Aces! So before proceed to my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. Guys, if you haven't seen any of my reaction to this amazing Filipino boy group BGYO, just check on my channel. So, check natin. Heartstring. Laki na ng studio nila. Grabe yung synchronization, yung galaw, yung swag. Angas ah. Galing din nila sumayaw sa wow! Tingnan mo yung galawan nila, parang isang tao lang sumayaw eh. Sexy! Galing na sumayaw. Wow guys, na-enjoy ko yung ano nila, dance practice kasi iba din dating nila dito eh. Grabe yung galawan nila, yung synchronization, yung swag, yung angas, plus guys, wow. Galing talaga nila. Graceful talaga sila sumayaw sa. So ang laki ng improvements nila from simula nung nag-umpisa pa sila yung training days nila sa Star Hunt hanggang until now. So ang laki ng improvements nila. So support din natin BGYO guys kasi nga ano din sila talented na grupo, marunong sumayaw, marunong kumanta at saka plus factor pa nila guys, mga good looking talaga sila. So i-proceed natin. Sana naman guys magkaroon sila ng isang kanta na talagang parang mag-viral na viral ba kasi nga sayang ditong BGYO eh. Ako nagsusupport ako sa BGYO guys since the beginning pa talaga. Ano lang ako secret supporters or silent supporters, pero as you can see in my reaction guys nga limited lang yung mga ni-reactan ko na grupo. Gusto ko yung ano nila guys, yung dance choreo nila sa kantang ito. Cool na cool sila tingnan. Ang tangka din nila sa lalo na si Jello, si Mickey at saka si Nate. Wow, ang ganda ng ano nila, choreography sa kantang to. Nakaka-enjoy. Galing nila sumayaw. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the dance practice video of BGYO with their song entitled Heartstrings. So, I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.